Welcome to Startup Sparks. Today we're exploring a smart and mobile business idea that's taking cities by storm, the mobile hair salon. Yes, a fully equipped hair salon inside a van. Let's break down how it works, how much it costs, and how much money it can make you. What is a mobile hair salon? A mobile hair salon is basically a hair studio built inside a van or a small bus. It includes everything a typical salon has. 1. A professional barber stylist chair. 2. Mirrors and LED lights. 3. Water tank and sink. 4. Air conditioning. 5. Haircut, styling, and coloring products. It's a salon on wheels that comes to the customer. Startup costs. Let's talk numbers. 1. Used van, $10,000 to $20,000. 2. Interior conversion and equipment, $8,000 to $15,000. 3. Licenses, branding, and legal, $2,000. So, your total investment ranges from $20,000 to $35,000 depending on the quality. Earning potential. This service is ideal for 1. Busy professionals. 2. Elderly or disabled people. 3. Moms with babies. 4. Brides and events. Typical prices. 1 haircut, $25 to $30. 2. Full styling package, $50 to $100. 3. Wedding packages, $200 to $400. With just 4 to 5 clients a day, you could easily make $5,000, $8,000 a month or more. Where can you offer it? 1. Apartment complexes and residences. 2. Downtown areas. 3. Hotels and wedding halls. 4. Retirement homes. 5. Festivals, pop-up events. Using an online booking system is best to stay organized. Marketing tips. 1. TikTok and Instagram transformation videos. 2. Google Maps profile with great reviews. 3. Bridal package ads before wedding season. 4. Salon at your doorstep campaigns. 5. Loyalty punch cards or free first consultations. Also, word of mouth and reviews are huge in this business. Extra features. 1. Online appointment system. 2. Mobile payment options. 3. Mini product sales. 4. Subscription packages. 5. WhatsApp booking plus location sharing. Bonus ideas. 1. Add mobile nail and pedicure services. 2. Offer VIP makeup services for weddings. 3. Partner with offices for early morning quick trims. Conclusion. The mobile hair salon is a flexible, scalable, and future-ready business. It removes rent costs, adds convenience for clients, and stands out in the crowd. If you're a stylist or know one, this could be your next big startup idea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what idea we should cover next on Startup Sparks. See you in the next video.